In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an Excel chart and keep theme in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a chart that stays updated from Excel while matching the look and feel of your PowerPoint deck. Start by copying the chart directly from Excel. Click once on the chart to select the whole object. You should see the border around the chart, not just a single cell. Then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. This ensures you're copying the actual chart, not a static picture, so it can be linked later. Switch over to your PowerPoint slide where you want the chart to appear. Instead of a regular paste, go to the Home tab, choose Paste, then Paste Special. In the dialog, select Paste Link and choose Microsoft Excel Chart Object. This is the key step. Paste Link creates a live connection back to the source Excel file, so whenever your data changes in Excel, your PowerPoint chart can pull those updates. Choosing Microsoft Excel Chart. Object preserves the chart's interactivity and formatting controls inside PowerPoint. Next, apply your PowerPoint theme so the chart looks like it belongs in your presentation. With the chart selected, go to Chart Tools, then Design. From there, use Change Colors and Chart Styles to pick a look that aligns with your slides. If you see an option labeled Use Destination Theme, choose that. It tells PowerPoint to apply your presentation's color scheme and fonts to the linked chart so it blends seamlessly with your overall design while still pulling data from Excel. When your Excel data changes, updating the chart in PowerPoint is straightforward. Open the PowerPoint file, go to File, then Info, and click Edit Links to Files. Choose Update Now. PowerPoint will refresh the chart with the latest numbers from Excel while keeping the theme you applied. If an update doesn't come through, make sure the Excel file is accessible in its saved location. Keeping the Excel and PowerPoint files in consistent, known folders helps prevent broken links. Finally, feel free to adjust the size and position of the chart on your slide. You can drag the corners to resize and move it to the perfect spot without breaking the link. For clean results, drag from a corner to maintain the aspect ratio, and use PowerPoint's alignment guides to line things up. That's it. You've linked an Excel chart, applied your PowerPoint theme, and set it up to update cleanly whenever your data changes, all while keeping your slides on brand and easy to maintain.